Hi, I am Jalaini R. Abdullah Jr. from grade 7 Ruby. And now, let me introduce you to my menacing character, or my favorite fictional character. Have you heard of or seen a high school student with a bulky appearance? Well, for me, yes, because my favorite fictional character has the same appearance, which is Jotaro Kujo from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure.
やかましい鬱陶しいぞこのアーマー
Jotaro is no ordinary fictional character because Jotaro Kujo is known to be one of the most popular fictional characters in the world. First, I chose him as my favorite fictional character because he has an amazing design and a cool personality. His personality is highly perspective, slightly neutral, or disinterested attitude.
じゃあ転んだっても信じるわ慌てんとさ
おい待ちな何をする気だ
ズボン切るのよ
冗談じゃねえぜ
あら治療しにくいじゃない
脱ぐよ
Second, he may not be very smart, but he is clever when it comes to combat strategies. He is also a very attractive person.
あジョジョだわえジョジョ本当だジョジョジョジョジョジョおはようジョジョおはようジョジョジョジョ
The third thing that makes him my favorite fictional character is that he has the power to summon a stand called Star Platinum.
名付けよ君のスタンドはスタープラチナ空城黒太郎スタンド名スタープラチナ
Star Platinum has a humanoid appearance and has incredible strength, speed, precision, enhanced eyesight, and the ability to move and stop time. And it can also stop time itself.
スタープラチナザ・ワールド やれやれ間に合ったぞ
Though Jotaro is a very cocky and menacing guy, he is said to have a kind heart inside of him, making him one of my favorite fictional characters of all time. How about you? What is your favorite character? Is your character the same as mine? Or is it a villain? My name is Jalaini R. Abdullah Jr. and thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something new.